In this pen cast, we're going to find the center of a circle using the perpendicular bisector of two chords. So in order to do this, there's two definitions we need to know. The first one is the definition of a chord. So the definition of a chord is that it's a line segment whose two endpoints are on the circle. Alright, and we also need to know the definition of perpendicular bisector. So a perpendicular bisector is a line which cuts a line segment into two equal parts at 90 degrees. Okay, so this is the procedure for finding the center of a circle. First, we need to draw the chords. Alright, so we know that the chords can be pretty much anywhere on the circle. So let's just put one right here and one right here. Now we could have put these chords anywhere as long as their endpoints are on the circle. Alright, so step 2 is going to be draw the perpendicular bisectors. So we need to get our chords back on this circle again. So let's put our chords back here and here. Alright, and to do this problem you're going to need a ruler and a protractor. Okay, so now that we've got our chords drawn, we need to figure out how to draw the perpendicular bisectors. So this is chord 1, and this is chord 2. Alright, so basically what we need to do is find the midpoint of each chord, right, which is going to be the center, and then draw a line that's at 90 degrees to at that midpoint. So the first thing we need to do is basically measure the length of the chord and find the midpoint. So the midpoint of my chord is right here. Alright, so now I need to use my protractor to find out what a 90-degree angle to that is. It's going to be about here. And then I need to draw this line through that midpoint at 90 degrees. So that's going to look like this. So that's my perpendicular bisector of chord 1. Okay, now I need to do the same thing as for chord 2. So I measure and find the center of chord 2. It's right here. Alright, then I need to find a 90-degree angle, which is right here. So then I need to draw the perpendicular bisector at 90 degrees through that chord. Oops, there we go. Alright, so this is 90 degrees. Alright, so now we can see that these two chords intersect at this point right here. And that is the center of our circle. So that is how you find the center of a circle using perpendicular bisectors of two chords.